It's going to blow your mind away. Right? And you're going to read it just so you don't think I'm messing with it. Right? 2 Kings 8:26.
Isaiah was 20 years old when he became king, and he resigned. He reigned 1 year in Jerusalem.
Okay, so how old was he? 22, right?
It says 20.
This is 22 years old, right? Now in the same Bible, 2 Chronicles, chapter 22, verse 2. Go ahead.
Isaiah was 42 years old when he became king. He resigned with 1 year in Jerusalem.
You saw the earlier one, he was 22, and here he's what? 42. How old was he? Right? Now, I looked it up in a study Bible to know what Christian scholars said. This is there. This is a copyist error. They're telling you there's errors in the Bible.
So the first thing I'm going to state is that the Bible is the most accurate historical document that has ever existed. In fact, historians agree that the Bible should not be treated different than other historical or literary sources from the ancient world. Scientists have used the Bible to date and classify historical findings. In fact, scientists have even used the Bible to identify the oldest known solar eclipse. The next thing you need to understand is that the Bible has been written over a span of 1400 years. This means that since the time that the books of the Bible have originally been written, they have been copied again and again by scribes. So today we have copies of copies. Does that mean that the Bible can't be trusted? No. Over 99% of biblical text has not been questioned. And the less than 1% that has been questioned does not pertain to any doctrine, teaching, or biblical command. So the authenticity of the actual teachings of the Bible are not in question. In other words, the stories, the meanings, the teachings of the Bible have not been jeopardized. And just to add some context, when the Dead Sea Scrolls were discovered, scholars were absolutely shocked to discover how similar they were to ancient copies of the Old Testament. This is because the Dead Sea Scrolls were hundreds of years older than anything that had been previously discovered. So the Bible is breathed by God, inspired by the Holy Spirit, and written by man. Now going back to the video, as the man stated, yes, this is a copyist error. You see, the numerical notations in question varied so slightly that the smallest smudge of ink or a tearing on a piece of paper or a wrinkle could have led a scribe to write 42 rather than 22. The accurate age is 22, which we see in 2 Kings. And again, this happened because as the Bible was being copied and translated, small marks on pages could have easily been misinterpreted. I will repeat once more, there has been no contradictions in doctrines, biblical teachings, or commands.